Don't mute.
Reaction, I unmute because I'm eating.
No. It doesn't matter. Okay. I'm just sending it to Connor and Ian. Okay. First one's shitty. Ew.
Duplicate too.
Next one. Ooh.
Legendary.
Okay. I'm not actually mad. That's all you say.
It's alright. Yeah.
A blue. 417 health hazard. Too many black eyes. Finally, a good one. Good one. Black eyes. Fuck me! Damn it!
As well. That actually happened to me too. On my commando skin, it was an epic.
Ooh.
And
it's a blitz skin specifically. I actually needed a blitz. Ready.
Wait, do you think it shows the logo? Because that gun is for much more fair. Do you think it shows the logo of them on the side instead of just the blitz?
Well, it is for Blitz. Blitz can use it. It's like his skin. Ready, common. Come on, give me a good one. Okay. L. Come on, a good one. No. L.
I don't think I've ever gotten as much comments as you've gotten right now.
Okay, blue. Well, you don't open them all at the same time, do you?
No.
Okay. Okay. Come on, black ice. But that
still looks clean.
Oh. Black ice. Yes! Fuck yeah!
I beat you.
Uh-oh.
I beat you to it, dude.
Be quiet. But you already got it on the SM channel?
Yeah, I did.
What?
I used to flex on you with it. Wait, that's
I'm about to go get yelled at. I'll be right back. I didn't get yelled at. Let's get it, boys. Boy.
Luke, how do you still want that extra level in
Huh?
mining?
Oh.
You still want that extra?
A third one.
Oh, epic.
I already got it. Black ice? No. Oh. Come on, don't be a duplicate. That's clean. That's clean.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be a comment. Oh, well, I'm happy.
Gridlock.
And Gridlock can't use it.
I know, right?
Oh. Black ice. Oh. This is actually a lot cleaner than the skin I already have for that. What the fuck?
Oh, dude. We just got the colossal bag upgrade.
Oh, bet. Wait, is that the best one?
Yep, last one.
Dude!
Open. I've been collecting the minions.
I already have black ice for that. Oh.
Gonna happen. Oh, blue. Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
What's it gonna be, dude? What's it gonna be? Oh,
That's pretty
clean.
clean. I'm not mad. I'm not.
Duplicates. I mean, hey, you're getting quite a bit of now for the duplicates, though.
Yeah, nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's pretty
That's
nice.
nice.
Ah. Boring.
A cupcake, though.
A cupcake, though. Indeed.
I would eat it. It's red velvet, too. Another cupcake.
Mm.
I would eat that one, especially more.
I think he was trying to tell me something.
No, they're giving you that item because they know I'm watching. That's why.
Nah.
You know?
It's because I'm fat, bro. It's because I'm fat. They're fat phobic. No, I'm kidding. Bro, anyone who says fat phobic is just retarded.
Oh yeah, like that one guy that kept
Shotgun raids.
Yeah.
Yeah. That guy is so fucking retarded. Like, who the fuck raised him that fucking badly? Oh.
Oh.
I'm not mad. That was actually kind of clean, though. And I don't have a skin for that shotgun. That was actually pretty clean.
And
Would have rather had a... Oh.
Oh, another one?
Another one?
Let's go.
Black ice, black ice.
Nope. Oh. I mean, I guess.
This would be
this
great.
Like,
this would be great if I didn't have her elite.
yeah. Yeah. I got the notification from Shotgun that he's actually hacking on his server again.
Yeah. You watched the newest video?
No, I haven't. I just saw the notifications.
Ugh. I don't know why he says his servers. The shotgun own Skittle?
He might.
Okay.
Black
ice?
He has.
Oh! Oh!
That's
pretty
clean.
That is definitely clean. And I needed the skin for that.
Okay, so what minions should we place down now?
I have no idea. Maybe something that sells for a lot? Whoa, that's actually pretty clean. Look at this.
Yeah, I see it. Let's see. I think we can hit the next season of Zero.
When is it?
We can see if we get another snow minions. 21 hours and 30 minutes.
Oh, great. I'm pretty sure you can just buy the gifts and try to get snow minions.
Yeah, you can, but season of Zero is free though.
Come on. That was the last one? Dang.
Already?
Yeah.
That seemed quite quick.
I opened them pretty quick. I didn't like to lead up, you know. Ah, bet, dude.
Also,
Let's
Luke.
get it. I got one black eye, so I'm happy.
Yeah. One black ice in 45. You got the black ice on your 14th back.
But, dude, it was like a really good black ice.
Also, somebody's been making the red globe enchanted ice into enchanted packed ice.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Me, why?
We should upgrade the minion balls.
I thought it was already maxed. Whoops.
No.
Whoops.
I only just upgraded it to tier 10 like a couple of days ago. And somebody was already enchanted guys.
I thought it was already 11. Oh, I need to stop recording.
We can place back down.